Alright, in this video we're going to be talking about how journaling changed my life and why you should consider journaling to help improve your life. Alright, first things that I learned when I started to journal was that it truly helped me create a safe space for me to express my thoughts, my ideas, and sometimes you speak to friends and you have strong opinions and it's just hard for you to just sometimes just say it, be direct, and for them to receive it. But when you're journaling, you're able to literally just write down whatever you want, just feel free to say everything you have to say, and it's like a free, no judge zone. Second thing I learned was that you were able to become your own coach. By writing your problems, by writing whatever you're going through, you're literally getting a different perspective on your problems. And it really just helps you find a different way to approach situations. The third thing I learned was that writing down and journaling helped me come up with solutions to my problems. So instead of just me going in circles, trying to maybe ask for people for advice or ask for people for solutions, or just going back and forth, writing down, I have this problem, I'm trying to get more clients for my business. I could do B or C, and yes, writing it down and brainstorming helps you come up with solutions to problems. Number 4 is you're able to brainstorm ideas. So me personally, I'm like a really creative person that I'm like always constantly coming with new ideas, and it just like sometimes it's just too much for me. So what I started to do is I get an idea, write it down in my journal. I get an idea, write it down in my journal. And maybe even if I don't, like for like videos, I get lots of ideas for videos. And then maybe instead of, if I write it, it's maybe if I don't even do it, but it's a good way for me to just write it down and for me to remember and go over it, and then maybe take into consideration if that's something I want to do. Now, the next thing is 5 is writing down and journaling help me keep track of my goals. So every single day, I got this from Grant Cardone, writing down your goals, and this helps you keep on track of your goals, help you understand where you're headed, what you need to get done, and really target down exactly like how much money you want to make, what kind of what kind of things you want. You want a car, you want a house, whatever things you want, write it down. And every single day, writing it down just helps you just mentally vision what you want, and it just keeps you on track. Number 6, I think has happened to everybody, where you're just going through life and sometimes you feel like, hey, I haven't done what I wanted to do. But this happened to many times. But I would go back to my journals and I would start reading, and I would be seeing, okay, I checked off this goal, I checked off this goal, this target, I've done this, and I start reflecting back like, okay, I have actually done stuff, and it just boosts up your energy, encourages you more, like, okay, I'm actually getting things done. I've forgotten about it, but by journaling down your progress, your accomplishments, you're able to go back, reflect, and like, okay, wow, I'm actually doing stuff. I'm on the right track. I'm not exactly where I want to be, but I'm getting there slowly. So these are the 6 things I learned that have really changed my life, that have helped me improve really mentally, physically, and emotionally. And I hope these things help, and I'll see you guys in the next video.